Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cary Estate Planning back with another video as part of our 2020 video challenge. Today we're continuing on the theme of Quora.com estate planning questions and answers. Today's question is, can an executor pay bills before probate? And the answer generally is no. And that's because probate assets can only be used to pay the expenses of the estate or to maintain other probate assets. So most often when we talk about bills being paid, they generally are pertaining to like utility bills or expenses on real estate of the deceased. And as you may know from watching some of our other videos, real estate is not a probate asset. So an executor cannot use probate assets to pay for the expenses of an asset that does not fall into probate. However, there's also the issue of creditor priority. Bills are generally going to be considered creditors of the estate, depending on what they are and the nature of their security, or whether or not they're secured. So an executor is precluded from paying one creditor or bill in favor of or to the detriment of another creditor until the creditor claims period has been expired. And that would be after the notice of creditors is posted and has ran 4 times, once per week for 4 weeks, and the period of 90 days has expired. So generally no bills are supposed to be paid until that period is over. That being said, sometimes some automatic drafts will come out and some bills will just be automatically paid before the executor has the authority to turn anything off. That's just sort of the reality of life these days with auto draft and bill pay. So to the extent the executor can help it, they should not be paying creditor claims until probate is opened and the notice to creditors has ran.